Okay, g'day, 25th of April, Rudy here. So this video is all about why we sold FOOD ETF. Now I get it, oil prices up, fertilizers prices up. I've got to get exposure to food. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll buy the FOOD ETF. Okay, so we basically sold it 3 weeks ago, but we bought it back here in May. So part of this video is to explain to you how I look at ETFs. We look under the bonnet, look at the charts, not just read the summary, the marketing material. So just to show, I started this channel back in March, but we started the ASX Model Portfolio. You see we bought fuel, food here. Well, this is actually the start of it. Miners, wire, URNM, food and fuel. And we've sold food. It's not. We're up. Started with 100 Gs, so we're up 80% since April. So not too shabby. So why did we sell it? Why did we buy it? Okay, so if we look at food, so the companies underneath it: Corteva, Maribin, Nutrien, Deere, Archer Daniel. So we'll have a look at their charts. So another reason too is we've had this measured move. So this is what we call so that's a break of a declining wedge, which is bullish. Then we've got a flag pattern here. So there's your flagpole, your flag, then a breakout, and you project the flagpole to up there. Doesn't mean it always gets there, but it just gives you a feel. And then we've got topping action going on here. So you can see there's not nice little smooth. So it's potentially going to do this for a while, but in a new box, just like that. So it's not going anywhere. So we've moved on onto what we need to become a member. $10 a month, ASX US shares and ETFs. So let's have a look underneath the bonnet. So this is the biggest holding, Corteva. Now it doesn't look too bad, Corteva, but as you can see, it's gone pretty vertical. But it's not too shabby. But you're not buying this type of breakout. Then you got Marubeni. So again, they've hit their sort of measured target move here, and they're, would you buy that chart? There's a bit of, it's like not a bargain, let's say that. Then there's Nutrien. So I've got to be careful with this one because I don't know if you know Rick Rule, he loves this stock. But I don't know. I don't really the chart pattern. You can see historically, it's had these big peaks, and then it's hard work to shoot out the lights from there. So I can just see best case consolidation. Then we've got Deere & Co. So they like sell trucks, but a farmer's got to have money to buy a truck. And he's got to anyway. So from a chart perspective, it's got to do an A, B, C correction. So it's going to come back down here. And we've got Archer Daniels. So these guys are, again, they're commodity traders. So they're not, they're just taking a clip, charging a commission on selling your crops. There's that was the buy there. So it's sitting on a pretty key support level, because rising channels are actually bearish when they're broken, but it hasn't happened yet. So it could just then we got CF. So again, pretty strong run, and pretty, it's going to be hard. Best is chopping. Then JBS. So again, the sale of pork beef. So then the sale business. So again, it's not a screaming buy, as you can see. Then we've got Tyson Foods. Now that they don't look too bad, actually. Got a little alert here. So a breakout and come back, test support, and but again, you've got to be in America to do that. So one of the options that we've have switched to, because we don't have anything in Australia really to do with food, so we have switched it for another ASX ETF, but not to do with food, because we don't have any. But there are, like over in the US, you can actually get exposure to the real stuff. So there's a tag, so I guess you could call it, it's a bit like an ETF. It's got the 4 sugar, corn, wheat, soybeans, all in one. We had to buy, we just stop loss protection, so we're back in again. But the preferred option is wheat. So you can see here we just start, we're nowhere, we're in those declining wedge breakouts. So you got wheat, that's the preferred one. Corn, so again you can buy these on the American share market. Soybeans, so they've already taken off, that's why I prefer wheat. And cane has done the breakout and doing a retest, so that will head back up. So if you are over in America, that's a suggestion for you. Otherwise, if you like that kind of analysis with your ETFs, join the channel. $10 a month. Do daily videos for you, looking at opportunities. All right, see ya.